Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about the darkest secrets about money that you probably don't know. But first, let me tell you a true story about my experience with money. So, one day I was at the bank, trying to deposit some money into my account. As I was filling out the deposit slip, I noticed the teller giving me a strange look. I asked her what was wrong, and she told me that I had just made a mistake. I had written my name as Cash Money McMoneyface. Needless to say, I was a little embarrassed, but the teller just chuckled and said, "Well, at least you're keeping it real." And that's what we're going to do today, keep it real about the darkest secrets about money that you probably don't know. So, buckle up and let's get started. Dark secret number 1, the banking system is designed to keep you in debt. Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to get ahead financially? Well, that's because the banking system is designed to keep you in debt. From student loans to credit card debt, the banks make money by charging you interest on your debt. So, the longer it takes you to pay off your debt, the more money the bank makes. Dark secret number 2, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. This is an old adage, but it's still true. The wealthy have access to resources and opportunities that the average person doesn't. They have access to better education, better investments, and a network of connections that can help them grow their wealth. Meanwhile, the average person is struggling just to make ends meet. Dark secret number 3, the government doesn't have your best interests in mind when it comes to money. The government is more concerned with maintaining the status quo and keeping the wealthy in power than with helping the average person. Tax laws are written to benefit the wealthy, while the average person is left to struggle with a complicated and unfair system. Dark secret number 4, the stock market is not always fair. The stock market is supposed to be a place where individuals can invest their money and potentially make a profit. However, the reality is that the stock market is often manipulated by big corporations and the wealthy. They have insider information and the resources to make smart investments, while the average person is left to try to make sense of a complicated system. Dark secret number 5, the cost of living is rising faster than wages. Inflation is a reality that affects everyone. However, the cost of living is rising faster than the average person's wages, making it harder and harder to make ends meet. The result is that people are forced to work longer hours, take on more debt, and sacrifice their quality of life just to keep up. Dark secret number 6, your savings may not be as safe as you think. Banks are supposed to be safe places to keep your money, but the reality is that your savings may not be as safe as you think. Banks are only required to insure deposits up to a certain amount, and in the case of a financial crisis, your savings could be at risk. Additionally, banks can use your savings to make investments, putting your money at risk. Dark secret number 7, the financial industry is not regulated enough. The financial industry is supposed to be regulated to protect consumers, but the reality is that it's not regulated enough. The result is that financial institutions can engage in unethical and even illegal practices, putting the average person's finances at risk. Dark secret number 8, the government is printing money, and that's a problem. The government has the power to print money, and while it might seem like a good thing in the short term, it can lead to inflation and devaluation of currency in the long term. This makes it harder for people to save and build wealth, and can lead to a financial crisis. So, there you have it, the darkest secrets about money that you probably didn't know. But don't despair. There are ways to take control of your finances and build wealth, despite the system. It's all about education, determination, and a willingness to take risks. Thanks for watching. And remember, always keep it real, even if it means writing your name as Cash Money McMoneyface on a deposit slip.